Good morning, students. So, today we will discuss the computational complexity or time complexity of a program. Okay, so first we need to know for weight we are using kg, right? So, in computer, when you are doing a calculation in for loop or any sentence, that time in statement, that time we are using a notation which is O. So this O called big O notation. Okay, we call it big O notation. So in big O notation, there's too many things are present. One O1, which is fast. Okay, O LGN, which is also fast. O N, how we get N LGN 1, I will tell you. Okay, fast in some cases for some time or something, slow for others. Sometimes it will work fast, but in other cases it will slow. Okay, ON dot, or you can say star, LGN, fast compared to ON square. Okay, ON square, slow for most. Okay, and O to the power N, intractable. Okay, O N exclamatory sign is also intractable. Now, how we get these things? Okay, suppose we are writing a program for loop I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So in this case, this loop rotating n times. So this n times means the whatever the statement present inside this for loop, the time complexity of this coding is, or this program, O n, because the entire statement we consider as a constant variable, constant value. Okay, so this is O n plus c. So n plus c, this plus c is not considering, we ignore the c portion, we only accept this one. So this is the time complexity of this program. If I use for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, inside this for loop again another for loop is present for j is equal to 0, j less than n, j plus plus. Whatever the message present inside this for, this time complexity of this program is O n into n, or we can write O n square. Okay, if this n is not a n, this is become m, that time we can write O n into m. Okay, so this is the complexity. Okay, now you can see there's two things are present. One is O n square and another one is O to the power n. Now if I say which one is faster of these two, okay, always this one is the faster, because if I consider that the n is equal to 5, m is equal to 5, then what do you mean by this one? This means 5 to the power 2, and this one means 2 to the power 5. So this one means 5 into 5, and this one means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So if I calculate this one 25, and this one 32. So obviously this is the faster. So if I get a question that there is two complexity are present and find which one is the faster, so this way you are solving the problem. Okay, you get 2 marks in ISC exam. One compulsory question coming from this chapter. Okay, and this type of question coming, you get 2 complexity and find the fastest one, or you can find the worst one. So that time is the worst one. Okay, so another thing is present. Suppose if I tell you, we know in our program in Java, there are several programs are present. Okay, there's, for example, linear search. Okay, and I'm writing one by one. Okay, first I'm writing linear search. Okay, then we can write that binary search. Third, we can write selection sort. 4, we can write insertion sort. 5, bubble sort. There's too many sorts at present. Okay, for each and every, see, when we are doing the linear search, it will work on for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. That's why we can say the complexity of the linear search O n. Okay, for binary search, say O L G N. Why L G N? Because in binary search, the array in linear search is to start from the first position to the end position. Okay, or once we are getting a value over here, we use the break, but it will start counting from the first to the end. But in binary search, it will the entire array separated into 2 portions, the left side and the right side. Again, the right, if the value is present in the right side, then it will again break into 2 parts. So every time we are dividing the array into 2 different parts. That's why big O L G N. Okay, which is faster than this one. Okay, that's why I'm writing here O L G N fast, O N fast for some time, but slower for others. Slower for others means this one. Okay, and this is the faster than this one, big O N square. Okay, so you remember which one is the faster, which is the slower. So once it will giving the question in your paper, so you write the way that this is the faster because this is the reason, and you mention the reason, otherwise you're not getting the marks. And we know in all the short cases we need to write 2 for loop. So 2 for loop means the big O first loop is start from up to n, again into second loop up to n. So it is O n square for all the short cases. Maybe you can see asking that the question in binary search and bubble sort, which is the faster and why. So you need to write that binary search is faster than bubble sort because binary search time complexity is OLGN and bubble sort time complexity ON square. So this is the reason, that's why binary search is faster than bubble sort. This way you write the answer and you got the full marks. Okay, I hope all of you understand about the time complexity. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe my video for my channel for more relevant videos for your exam. If you have any doubt regarding the time complexity, you can notify me or you can say me. So I will definitely try to solve your answer properly. Okay, have a nice day. See you soon. So I'm holding the entire portion for you that you can write easily. Please ignore the handwriting. Please pause the video and write the coding, okay, and the entire portion. Thank you. See you soon.